Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's April 9th here, recording this one. We'll probably be dropping this one a little bit later. Coming at you with another video on Stableinvest. I recently went over the white paper fairly quickly and deposit that I had here. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about this investment protocol, look at that video and I cover a little bit more detail the white paper. This one's just looking at the first withdrawal. As I mentioned in that video, they do have a protocol here that it takes 24 to 40 hours to withdraw. So here's my Stableinvest account. As I showed in the last one, I have a $500 deposit. I earned 1%, so I have a $505 amount in here for 6 months, and I earn 3% weekly. So you have $15.15. So I'm going to show the withdrawal here, and unfortunately I won't be able to show this coming into my account right away because as you have here, this is the trading portfolio account that I have. As you can see here, USDT is what I put in. I have 25 cents. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show this live because it kind of pops in and out. So I'm going to withdraw and crypto wallet, which you have to set up in your profile. So I already have a crypto wallet set up, so I'm going to withdraw this one as well. So I'm going to put the 1515 in there and get that in USDT. It's coming into my trading platform's wallet that I set up already, and so you withdraw that amount and I confirm it. It's going to be going into my wallet, so confirm that, and I'll have another withdrawal that'll be going on, so can check the status of the transaction as it comes forward. But I'll try and update this video as well with another quick one and maybe splice them together once I have an update on what's going on in the next 24 to 48 hours. All right, thank you. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. I forgot to say, if you're interested and you like my content, do like and subscribe, and we'll look forward to providing more coverage on these trading platforms in the future. Just quick update on Stableinvest. The other day I did a video on this protocol and had my first withdrawal to do, $15.15. As you can see here, the withdrawal is completed. I did get a couple emails and into my account, which also stated that this had come through. And also, if you look at my update here on my account, this was $15.26. It's now at $15.40. So the money has gone into my account. Unfortunately, with this one, it takes up to 24 hours, and it was I think it was about 4 or 5 before I got the money. So it is coming in quick. Anyways, if you like my content, please like and subscribe to my videos. Looking forward to keeping you updated on Stableinvest and the other trading protocols that I have more recently.